Python loops 2. The important concept I'd like to share with you is the idea of building a sentence or a line across sideways. Let me show you what happens if we do this. So I'm gonna type in some code here and basically loop 3 times, and I'm gonna just print the word cat. So let's try running this and see what happens. So it's gonna say cat, cat, cat. Alright, that's interesting. Now let's try something else. How can we actually print out cat, cat, cat 3 times in a loop sideways? So what we could do is to build it up sideways in a loop. Well, I guess you could just print it all in one line, but I want to show you something that's used quite a lot. I'm gonna make the sentence, or the variable s, the string, equal to nothing. This is just a series of blank spaces. So we have double quote, and basically this is an empty null string. It's empty. It's absolutely nothing. So what I'm going to do to build it across sideways in a loop is to say s equals s plus cat. So this idea is very important because what's happening is we're going to loop 3 times, and every time we loop, we're going to add the word cat to the string. So s is equals to the previous value of s, which is nothing, plus cat. This is the symbol for string concatenation, which means you're adding the 2 words together. So during the first loop, we get nothing becomes cat. So the second loop, we get cat, cat, because the first time it looped we have nothing plus cat, which is cat. The second time it loops we have cat plus cat, which is cat, cat, and this entire added value is assigned into the variable s. And the third time it loops we get cat, cat, cat. So by the time we finish 3 loops, we've successfully built up the string sideways. Cat, cat, cat. It's looping 3 times, and by that time the final value of s is equals to cat, cat, cat. So what that means is when we finally print it out here, print s, I'm expecting this to say cat, cat, cat sideways. So let's run it. Cat, cat, cat. And of course, if the whole purpose was to print cat, 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 you could also do print cat, cat, cat. Now that would be cheating. But the idea of building up a string sideways, cat and then cat and then cat, is an important concept that could be useful for the future. Congratulations, you now have more practice with loops.